Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video here on the Nobre Motorsport channel. Today, I'm going to show and teach you how we can dismantle the Milha light. This might be needed if we need to change the lamp, clean it, or if your grille is broken and you need to dismantle it. This grille is entirely held in place by clamps, so we will fit the spatula here between the paint finish. We will pull it slowly, being obviously careful not to damage anything and not to mark any part. Don't be alarmed by the noises because that is normal. This finish, it can be quite hard to remove, quite annoying to take off. But that's it, we have practically already removed a part of it here, as you can see. This little piece here has already come loose, so we can slowly pull it, obviously being careful not to damage it. That's right, we've managed to remove practically everything here, so we did it. Now, I'm going to show you, look, we have a lock here. A lock here, we have a lock here, one here at the bottom, we have this lock, this one, and this one, so there's a lot of locks here. Look, here's the Milha light car. To loosen it, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. So you will need to get a key like this one here. With a star tip, you're going to loosen this screw. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera for you, I think it is. You're going to loosen this screw from below. You took this one out. And there's one more on this side. Just be careful not to let the screw fall into the bumper, because otherwise it would be difficult to get it back. And that's it. We can now remove the Milha light completely. As you can see here, I've already removed it. I use the LED, so this one is the Landtech LED that I use. It doesn't heat up. You can see so much that it's not melted here in the back. Here you have access to this area. The Milha light is there, so everything is fine. It's very easy. Now I'm going to do the reassembly so you can see. One thing that's interesting and cool is that it has a guide pin here. So here in the corner it has a guide pin where you fit it, so we can do the reassembly, the reinstallation. So it aligns there with that pin. We're going to come here, we're going to come here. Let's go align there, align the screw.